How do people earn money through Instagram? So if you're really confused on how people earn money through Instagram, so in this video I'm going to explain you everything, different ways you can start making money. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of Instagram tutorials. I show you how to make money. I show you how to get more followers. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So the first one would be grow and manage Instagram pages. So this is the most simplest and the easiest, where there are a lot of brands where they want you to just schedule post, just take care of the social media handles, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, and usually they give you around 30 to 40 dollars just for managing. And it's a very simple way to earn money. All you have to do is just start posting pictures, manage the comments, post hashtags. That's it. So this is the most easiest way on how you can start making money through Instagram. So the second one would be create content for others. So in my previous video I've shown how you can create content. As you could see on the screen, you can use websites like Canva, you can use websites like Sketch, and you can create content. It's very easy to create content, and that's the second way you can start making money through Instagram. So the third way would be selling digital products or ebooks. So let's say you're a fitness trainer, you can write an ebook, create in Word, and you can just start selling on Instagram. You can start selling to your followers. Doesn't take much, it just needs a little efforts from your side. And there are even PLR products, which are private label rights, where you can get them on Google for free. You can make changes and start selling them on your Instagram page. Let's say you are a chef, okay, you can write recipes and start selling them. That's the third way. The fourth way is selling affiliate products. So basically what affiliate products is, you're selling someone else's product and you're getting a commission. So for example, let's say I create an Instagram blueprint ebook which I'm selling for $10 or $20, and then when you sell it to someone else, when you sell it to your followers, you get a commission out of it, which is called affiliate marketing. So you get a commission of it. So again, this is the most easiest as well, where you don't have to create a product. All you have to do is just sell that product, so you get a commission. That's the fourth way. The fifth way would be drop shipping. So basically what's drop shipping is, you buy something for cheap and you sell it to your followers. So basically the best one would be AliExpress, where you go on AliExpress, find a product, okay, and then you can start reselling it on your page. So let's say you bought something for $1, and then let's say you bought a ring for $1 to $2, and then you can start selling on your Instagram page. Do a little branding, create a brand for you, and start selling on Instagram. Okay, so these are the top 5 easiest ways you can start making money on Instagram. If you would like to learn more ways, I've created a video about that. And guys, if you would like to start your own Instagram page where you can start getting thousands of followers, start making money, I've created a free course for Instagram, so you can go and check it out. In that course you will be able to understand everything about Instagram, and it's a no BS course. So basically I tell you the truth, the exact way on how you can get to 10,000 followers and how you can start making money on Instagram. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.